Hey guys, welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and in today's video we are looking at Solo, well actually Electrameccanica vehicles. And this is a company that's established in Vancouver, British Columbia, blah blah blah. Very cool, very nice. Market cap. This is very important because this is where things get strange. Do I need to give you guys an update, a little introduction to what the company is? I don't think so. If you're watching this video, you know what Solo is. You've seen their cars. Let's go to their website, Electrameccanica. There we go. Probably seen this little YouTube clip loop over and over. It's so annoying. The car is so ugly. I don't care. It's so ugly. This car would okay, never say never. I do not see this car being imported into the US. I don't really see people buying the commercial fleet. Wait, whoa. What's that? Commercial fleets? Bruh. This is a commercial fleet? Commercial meaning what? Like, okay, the only thing you can haul and load and transfer is yourself. Car is ugly. I'll just say it off the bat. Business people, if you have some money and it's costing, I heard like 15 to 20K, and nope, I am not dropping it on this. I am dropping it on something else. If anything, I'll buy a freaking smart car. Guys, a smart car holds 2 passengers. You know, when you go to the grocery store and you buy 2 grocery bags, that's all you can fit in your damn car. What a poser. I bet she don't even like the car. She just got paid to take the picture. Logo, logo is sick. You know, the interior wise, it's cool, but like, come on, let's not, as an American, well, I don't know about other countries, but as an American, and one of the biggest markets is America and China now. As an American, I don't see Americans driving this. Like, I don't. Everyone's so concerned with safety and this and that. Why the heck would we buy this over, like, let's say a smart car, even though that's not very American, over, if anything, the Model 3. This is the only thing I can compare it to, because everybody's, oh, it's the next Tesla, it's the next Nikola. Well, Nikola's dead. Like, I'm just kidding. And Nikola's, you know, that's another story. We're not going to go into it right now. They have 3 cars. Yes, I know. They have more production. They are already kind of selling some vehicles here and there, but in order to really grow realistically and hold that growth, all right, to hold this growth and not get dumped by the day traders, by the traders, by your investors, to not get let go, to not lose faith in this company, you guys need to make some big moves super fast. Right now, the reason why the stock price is going significantly high and up is because of, first of all, some analysis, apparently he's important, let this company get a nice rating of $4. All right, so if the analysis person, whatever, is saying you're $4, why did people shoot it up? It's because it's the craze. As you see at the bottom, note, EVs have been increasingly volatile as developments in the sector may have piqued investors' interest. That is why. It's just the craze right now. It's the tulip mania. This company does not really like anything. Most companies in the stock market are not reflecting reality, so we're just gambling at this point. And I've been preaching that on my YouTube video, on my videos. I've been preaching that on my channel. Yes, I'm Capital Gains 500. Where do you see this company going in a year? I don't know. Like, let's look at the daily charts. We'll just keep it nice and simple with a yearly chart on Robinhood. And it's, you know, they've been consistent. Like I said, they've been good, but right now it's really that craze. Obviously, the drop in March and the stock market really crashing, it affected almost everyone in the stock market. But what's so different? What's so interesting that, like, a lot of companies have been going up and up, V-shaped recoveries, like new highs, and this company just took so long till the end of May. June, it started getting some movement. If anything, like, I can see a little wedge right here for the whole month. And let me show it to you on Webull, because I really like how you can see the candlesticks really get some pressure. And I'm talking about this little run up. This is this little run up. Essentially, it was all of June. You know, you get some nice wedges. Let me draw them out for you guys so you can see as a trader what I am seeing. I am seeing pressure points all along, which have helped boost up the shares once there's some good news, some nice movement, like zoop, spikes up and then coming down. But you know, people want to buy it, people want a reason, they're just looking, and then it shoots up a little bit, same thing, condenses, increases in pressure, and then zoop up. And then lately, honestly, these stocks like Solo, like Nikola, electric companies, they're piggybacking off Tesla's success right now. I'm gonna say it. I'm not gonna be like, oh no, look, like I've seen other people's videos, and you know, oh, buy it. Look, they make cars. Look, nice, beautiful car. Future development car, looks very nice. This is speculation. It should be quote unquote priced in already, but again, stock market's a whole nother reality. This looks nice. I like this. This classic car. I think this would do really good in Europe. I think even in the US, but it's in pre-orders. This can actually help the company sustain its $5 to $10 valuation wherever the heck it goes. So I do give it props for that. For the time being, the reason why it's shooting up, again, piggybacking off Tesla, will it hold its value? I personally would not bet on it in the short term. I will be keeping an eye on it. Will I be investing in it? I think I do want to, actually, mainly for the Roadster. So I would only invest in this company for this car, the Solo, But as you guys know, most businesses, just in the US, like 9 out of 10 fail, 1 out of 10 succeed. I don't know what the failure rates in other countries are, especially, you know, with rules, regulation, tariffs, and blah, blah, blah. We're in world economies. The businesses, you know, they must be hyped, like the business owners, the stock share owners in the company, like the CEO and blah blah blah, and basically everyone, I guess, you know, they have 63 employees, so maybe all 63 are stock shareholders, and they're very happy. But you know, focus, guys, focus on your product, focus on your development. Right now it's time to expand, it's time to go on offense, it's time to really, if you wanna, if Electrameccanica wants to hold its value, they got to put in the work. You know, they're getting a boost. Take that capital, use it for your business, and you know, give a good return to your investors. Like, and if you're just speculating the stock and don't know what the heck's going on, I think you are going to be in for a good surprise. Like, you're going to be riding this roller coaster, and these are a significant movement. Just be advised of that. From here to here, boom, huge drop from $2.47 to $1.78. What's that? I don't know, like 30-40%. I'm a stock genius, I'm not a math genius. Just kidding. And this is from $1.86 to $2.51. Huge movement, but then in a couple of days it dropped. So I believe this type of fluctuation is going to continue to happen. Again, shooting up because people are, you know, they're hungry for those EV companies right now. I do foresee it tomorrow, and I'm just going to predict this right now. I do think it's going to go even higher. I don't know where it's going to top. I feel like it's going to have a very, like we already saw it touch $6. So if it can break $6, it will continue to go up, maybe up to $7. I feel like every dollar amount it's a new milestone for the company as far as its share price. And in order for it to keep breaking new highs of $7, $8, $9, it's gonna need some better and good news. Like, oh, okay, these are our production numbers. This is how much money we made. We're like with this new funding of like the investors who are pushing up our stock price, and we have money to invest. We're gonna hire like this guy from BMW who worked on these cars, and he believes in us, and we are the future, and blah blah blah. So like that's how we should realistically be looking at these companies. Not just if you're looking at videos and they're just telling you buy. I would just stay away from those channels. What? I'm just kidding. No shade, man. Just subscribe to mine and just watch all my videos. I'm just kidding. Free market. Yes, that's what I love. Overall, what would I say about Solo? In my personal opinion, I do like it. I'm gonna just keep an eye on it. I would not put my money in it because I'm a type of investor who will dump in like easily $1,000 if I'm feeling good about the company, like anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000. And the problem with a lot of people is they'll literally dump it without thinking about it. Like boom, Oh my gosh, I dropped 5,000, and my 5,000 gave me a, let's see, even just today, if they would have bought like around the bottom, like a little triangle formation, and then it spiked up all the way to the $6, they get, yeah, like a 30% return on my $5,000. Oh my gosh, I made $1,500. But then as you saw, I quickly dropped in a matter of a couple of minutes, down 15%. So I would have, instead of making 1,500, I would have made 750. But that's only thinking of a day trader. Oh my gosh, that you're not but again, an investor knows when to exit a company also. So if you start seeing bad news or bad numbers, or if the company is really hiding the numbers, like that's a red flag as an investor. And my channel is trying to help people, and this is personally what I would do. I would slowly start dipping my toe in and seeing if I like it. I will add more and more to my position. If I really love the company, I will do average dollar investing, which that means is like, oh, I bought at $6. But again, I'm not gonna dump my full $1,000. I will buy $100 worth at $6. So I would buy approximately 6 divided by 100, or 100 divided by 6. What? Something like 15, 16 shares. I would buy 15, 16 shares, see it drop, and then be like, okay, I'll buy another $100, and then I could buy. Especially if you don't know, like, oh, at $5 I bought another $100 worth of stock, so then I'm averaging it out to $550, and if it goes up tomorrow, I'll buy another 100, and if it goes down more, I'll buy another 100. Again, that's how I think you should be tiptoeing around these markets personally, or well, that's me. That's how I feel comfortable investing, and that's what I have been doing. That's how I was purchasing GMBL stock. That's a esports gambling stock, and GAN, that's an online platform creator SaaS company stock, and I was doing averaging it out because when I buy, I want to go all in, but then once I always have that feeling of, oh, when I go into the market, it drops, so that's why I'll put a little bit of money, and then if it goes down, great. If it goes up, yeah, it is what it is, last notes, the momentum is so great right now, but I'm looking at the EMA indicator, which is like the average of the last 200 days. Not going to go into full detail of what EMA stand for, which I really like and enjoy Webull for that, because I turned on that indicator here in the indicators, and it's showing me that it is going to do a nice pullback. I don't know, it can continue going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days up, but then its regression to the mean is a B, especially when you buy at the top. It's going to pull back. So right now the 200 EMA says 350. So if I think tomorrow a nice price point is the $4 of the analysis. So that's just where I'm looking at. That's just what the data's telling me. But then again, do your own due diligence. Be careful. Do not just watch a video that tells you buy. Like, really try to think for yourself. Okay, do I really believe in this company as an investor? What kind of return are they going to give me? The company give me, not the stocks, not gambling on the stock. You're asking the company, what are you going to give me in return? Like, how are you going to keep your valuation? And with that, that's my 2 cents from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.